It will do well to just... No, I was about to say take the single. Forget about it. He goes for a big fog maximum himself. Clubs it over to the left, to the right or long on.
Rashid Khan, and then slashes it over extra cover for 4 more. Another fog maximum.
Oh, this could be the biggest one of the night. Rashid, well over the roof of the stadium. That's on the road. In straight. No, it's again a length ball, and again a fog maximum 6. How about that? 6-4, 6-6. Rashid Khan mentioned may have to contribute with the bat today.
Oh, goodness me, that's another 6. 4 6s in 5 balls. Little pat of the chest from Rashid Khan. And that's his half century in just 23 deliveries. What an astonishing turnabout.